Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will learn about the all operator in RxJava operator. So all operator will be checked like if all the value whatever we are storing in our observable that will pass the condition or not. Okay. So for this let me first create a flowable in this case, and I am creating the flowable for the integer type, or I am creating the flowable from array. Okay, so now I am passing the some value in array. Okay, so in this case I can also show you like how we can implement the all method and how we can use it like that. So I am going to create a one more method here, public static void and all with flowable. So here I will pass the flowable to you. Okay, so in flowable method, so now I am going to implement this method. Okay, so first let me show you how I can do it. So in this case I have the flowable, now I am passing the all. So all in this case maybe I am using the lambda expression here. If I will greater than 0 in all the case, then your method will be print the message like output system out print line all values are greater than 0, or this will give you the update like this is true or false. Okay, so in this case we don't have all the value will be 0. So if I will run this program, then you will get the false output because we had the 1 0 input will be here. So I am running the program, or you can see I think I need to call the method here also flowable. You can see it's returning false here. Now if I will again change the again create a method, or if I will pass the greater than equal to 0, so this time this program will return true and false both. Okay, so this all operator you can also work with the observable. In this case observable, I can create a class for the observable. I am also creating the observable from array only, or I am passing the same argument. Okay, if I will create a new method like observable, and here I am passing the observable of type integer, if I am going to implement this method. Okay, so observable dot all. So here I need to pass the predicate also here like I greater than 0, then I need to subscribe that method, or I will also get the output like the boolean here. Or you will get the output will be like all values are greater than and if I will return the output here also, so this time this will also return false. Okay, and if I will again doing the same thing because I don't want to waste the time here, or if I will call the all with observable method here, or I will pass the observable. So you will get the output with the same kind of thing like false and true. Now this time I call the observable method. If you want to try with the single is also a one type of observable. So here I am creating the single. So single only have one value assignment will be happen. So now I am passing the 0. Or if you are creating the some method like public void all with single, or here I am getting the input like single of integer value. Okay, so if I am going to implement the method, so single dot I am checking the all. So all method is not available for the single because this will only contain the one value. So in this place you can use the contents. So if you can contain the check one, then subscribe it, or you can check the output will be the boolean here. I am using the lambda expression. Single contains 1, or here I am passing the output. So now this will show us like if this method is contains or not this one value. So when I will call this particular method, or if I will pass the single here, you will see true result because we are passing 1. Okay, the same thing also it will work with the maybe in case. Okay, and here I am expecting the maybe of the integer value, or I can create a same type of function. So maybe also use the contents because we don't have the all method. Why we don't have all method? Because maybe or single containing the only one value, so that's why we don't have the all method here. Okay, so now here I am checking this storing 1 or not. I am subscribing the method, or method will I am storing the output. Print line maybe have value 1, or this will give me the output like this is storing 1 or not. So for calling this method I again need to create a maybe object. So first let me create a maybe from integer value, maybe equal to maybe dot, just I am passing 1. So our expectation from the code will be this will return true. So now output will be maybe have value 1, or this will return true. So for the formatting, let me add some space kind of thing. So what I understand till now, so all operator will be only work for the flowable and observable. If you want to check the same type of method, so in case of the single and maybe, so you can go ahead with the contents method. Okay, so this is it for today's video. I thank you.